The velocity of center of mass remains constant when total external force on the system is 0. After decay, the radon nucleus and helium particle move in different directions in such a way that their center of mass keeps on moving with the same velocity as the original radium nucleus was moving. There is no external force acting on the boat plus buoy system. When the buoy is moving towards the left, the boat moves towards the right, so that the position of the center of mass remains at its original position.